Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, we are going to be customizing our desktops. So first, we're going to go to screenstyler.com, and this is how the website looks like, and then we download. So it's going to bring this page, and then you just press on download, the blue button. So we're going to be pressing that. So it starts downloading and we're going to open it in a folder and install it. So the installation process is so easy. You just keep pressing next until you're done. So we're not going to log in, but if you want, you can log in. So this is how it looks like when you've entered the screen styler. So we're going to be customizing this desktop. It's already there, the customization, but if you have any icons you don't want, you can delete them and then you add in your own. And the winged icons are on this left side. As you can see, you can add all these icons, the ones that you want. So I'm going to be adding a few so you guys can see what it looks like. You can drag these icons and then you customize them very well. So I'm going to be putting a few applications, and we see how this goes. So after that, there is settings. So you can put in dark mode, you can change the time, you can change the performance, you can change the dates, you can change the weather and the location. So all that happens in the settings button. And when you're done, we also have music. When you're done, you have to save your project. So you go to this green button and then you give your project a name. So we go to add name and you can just put in any name that you want. So I want to put in my name. You can leave the description and then also the author, the name. So after that, you save. You click the button again, the green star, and then saved successfully. So we have to go back. We are going to close this. We press install and then we are done. So closing this window, closing. So this is how it looks like, though I didn't design it super well, but you can still design on this front page. So I'm going to add in my clock from rain meter. So I go to mode and then I clock and then add the clock to it and then load screen. So this is my date and the time and the music. So if rain meter brings in any skins that you don't want, like this one in the left corner, you just right click on it and unload skin and it will go.